Assalamualaikum, this is me Yasin and you all are watching Yasin Tech. In this video I am going to show you how you can make your picture full HD from Builder. So for this process you have to go to Play Store and download the application. Right here Remini, this application name is Remini. I am going to search and it will come on the top of the screen. I have already downloaded it, so don't need to download it again. So I'm going to just open. Make sure for making your picture full HD you should have internet connection. Okay, so this is the initial interface of this application, and here you can see enhance and enhance plus options. So now going to click enhance and select the picture which you want to make HD. So I'm selecting this one and click on this option, creating task, and it will display while your task being processed. So it will take few seconds to make your task complete, so just wait a few seconds. And right now task created, process in progress. So here our task is created, and right now I'm going to drag this line to the left, and this is before situation, and now you can see the result. Wow, it is converting into the HD, and here you can see the difference between both before and after. So it was before picture and it is after. So it was my today's video. For more that kind of videos, subscribe Yasin Tech and click on bell icon so that you will receive all notifications regarding my videos. And I have also provided this application link in description. Simply you can go to description and click on the link. It will take you to the Play Store and download from there and enjoy your new skill. Okay, goodbye, Allah Hafiz.